Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're sharing an easy and delicious recipe for making sable cookies with a soft and tasty dough, perfect for any occasion and sure to impress everyone. Let's start with the dough ingredients. 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of soft butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. First, we mix the soft butter with the powdered sugar in a large bowl using an electric mixer until we get a creamy, smooth mixture. Then, we add the egg and vanilla and continue mixing until everything is well combined. Next, we gradually add the flour along with the pinch of salt, mixing until we get a smooth and cohesive dough. If the dough is too sticky, we can add a little more flour. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for 1 hour. After the dough has rested, roll it out on a floured surface with a rolling pin until it's about ½ centimeter thick. Start cutting the dough using cookie cutters in various shapes, like hearts, stars, and flowers. Arrange the pieces on a baking sheet lightly greased with butter or lined with parchment paper. Let the pieces rest in the fridge for 15 minutes before baking to help them hold their shapes during baking. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are lightly golden. Once done, let them cool completely before decorating. Now, we can decorate the sable cookies in different ways. You can dip them in melted chocolate and sprinkle some crushed pistachios or shredded coconut on top. Or you can sandwich 2 cookies together using jam or melted chocolate and dust them with powdered sugar. To keep the cookies fresh and maintain their shapes, store them in an airtight container lined with parchment paper. Place parchment paper between each layer of cookies to prevent them from sticking together. A tip from me: always use high-quality ingredients to achieve the best results. If you want to add a special touch to your cookies, try adding different flavors like grated orange zest or cinnamon to the dough. In conclusion, we thank you for following along and hope you enjoy making these delicious cookies at home. Don't forget to share your experiences and photos of your creations on social media. Thank you for your continuous support and following. We love you and wish you happy times filled with love and smiles. Always stay creative and unique in your kitchen, and we'll see you soon with new recipes, God willing.